install my camera, the camera for my car, for my truck, 2017 Ridgeline Honda. That's the rear camera right there, and that's the front dash camera. So I ordered the camera come with the cigarette lighter plug-in, but I ordered the hard wiring kit. So because if you use these, you shut off the car, the camera will go off. You hard wiring the camera to the fuse box, you shut off the car, it still stand by to record everything happen while you're not around the car. So I don't need these. I hardwire the camera right through the fuse box underneath the kick panel right here. Okay, let me show you where the camera goes. That's the front. That's the front camera. It's active right now, even the car not running. And that's the rear. See, that's the rear camera. So the two wire. This one is for the rear camera. That I run this wire all the way to the back. And that for the front camera, I mean for the power one. I run and tuck it up and run to the fuse box. So the rear wire, I tuck it up to the headliner, go along with it, see? That's where it go. Up there, all the way to the back. All the way to the back. Right there, see? All the way to the back. And that's where it is. And the power wire, it's right there, or all the way up to the headliner. I run right to the driver's side, up to right here, going down, Here, I use the plastic tool to power this up, so I put two wire to the fuse box. The two wire that we run, there's two wire that I connect right there under the fuse box. One is just always have power. The other one only have power when the keys turn on. So I use the fuse tab to connect that. And underneath the fuse box, just right here, see the fuse box, I use number 42. Hold on. See, I use number 42. It's empty, nothing used, but when I check with the meter, it's give me 12 volt without the car running. And I use number 40, accessory, only have power when it's turned on. So I tap one of these fuse tab into number 42, and one of these to number 40, and here it is right over here. See the yellow one, the yellow wire, see the yellow wire, that go right to the constant power, so always have power even the car not running. The red go to accessory wire, only have power when the car run or the key turn on to accessory up. So it took me like an hour to do everything.